Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this boAt Bluetooth earphones, that how we can easily pair or connect with our mobile phone. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now I'm going to sharing this video with you. First of all, what we have to do and what the process over here, you will find a button over here. We have to press and hold it for few seconds to switch it on for first time. As you can check out, its light will start blinking. That means it's ready to pair right now. Now what we have to do, we have to go to our mobile phone, and over there we have to just find out the Bluetooth option. Click and press and hold over there and switch on your Bluetooth, and after that you will find options from these searchable devices or available devices, and you can easily click on this rockerz 205 Pro. That is the model number of this boAt's earphone. Now we have to click on this, and it asks you that you really want to pair. Then you have to click on this pair, and it light will stops blinking red and blue. Voila, it's now ready to pair, and that's it. As you can check out, it's connected already with this device, and it's showing you the battery percentage of this earphones, and that's the process. Now you can easily enjoy the music, you can enjoy the video calling, audio calling, or any calling, and that's the process, and that's the scenario to pair this, connect this with your mobile phone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.